And it goes a little something like
you a farmer and after I'll keep you a farmer and after
all the flowers in my garden never looked as bright as this. Like a happy child I watched them grow out of only seeds. Butterflies down my stomach when I think of you and me. It is funny how a lot can change when you learn how to breathe. Look at my eyes, what do you see? Feels like we're only meant to be. All of my life, where have you been? 'Cause you're the only thing I need.
Mayong buntag! It's 4:30 in the morning and our agenda for today is first I'm going to clean our refrigerator, and then after that I am going to organize the things that we bought yesterday since nag-grocery me because we are running out of stock here sa balay. And then later, I still don't know what will happen later. So for now, I need to focus on arranging, cleaning, organizing our refrigerator. So I'll get back to you later.
Nothing like a smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. 'Cause baby, in your absence life is boring, so I'll never leave. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light. Feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as the years go by. It's easier to love, oh, oh. Easier to love, oh, oh. There's nothing like the way that you adore me. I can feel love from miles away. And the light in your eyes tells me stories of life in a more perfect place, but I wanna stay. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light. Feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as the years go by. It's easier to love, oh, oh. Easier to love, oh, oh. If the sky is falling down on me, you'll be the one that's by my side to lift away from me. And if I find myself in reckless seas, you'll be the one to pull me back into reality. Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. 'Cause baby, in your absence life is boring, so I'll never leave. It's easier to love, oh, oh. It's easier to love, oh, oh. Easier to love, oh, oh. Easier to love.
visit right now because I left my phone in the living room, charge. And as you can see, I just finished taking a bath. And by the way guys, excuse the background noise. Huwag nang kailangan madungo. Ako ng aircon guys because every time na mag-ilis ko, mag-on ako aircon kay gangunon ko. And kada mag-skincare ko, okay, skincare. Kada mag-skincare ko, sintunan ko. So yeah, I need to turn it on. So I'm sorry kung nagmamadungog ang background noise. But right now guys, I am getting ready. Okay, I am going to attend a novena for Santo Niño because it is our commitment as a devotee of Santo Niño. And we are really, or we should be committed to pray the novena. And then after that, I'm going to attend a Holy Mass. Yeah, and then maybe after that, I'm going to buy another, or I'm going to restock my toner because as you can see, kapit na siya mahurot. Yeah. And toner lang ba? I don't know. Basta after kumaten sa Holy Mass, nandun ko sa Watson's to buy some another batch of skincare essentials. Makapurdoy, no? Ang Watson's rin na datoan. Yeah. So anyway guys, I'm about to do my morning skincare. So let me just finish doing my morning skincare and then after that, I'm good to go. And also guys, I forgot to tell you that I wasn't really able to continue my vlog yesterday because I was busy. And if you notice, we already have a different background right now. Yeah, because earlier this morning, I actually cleaned my room with the help of Ate Alma, of course. She was the one who changed the bed sheet. I was the one who organized and arranged my things, but I asked, of course, her help to move the cabinet, the table, and the bed. Yeah, wala lang. Gusto lang po na ko new setup sa akong bedroom. Yeah, and I talk a lot, and gadagan ang oras. I'm home and it's 1:03 in the afternoon and right now magtiwas ko og tahi. Yeah, magtiwas ko tahi sa akong mga silk mask. Like I actually na ako mga nahuman guys, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 pa lang. And kini mo pa nahuman mo continuous yung for the information of everybody, I'm actually using 2 masks. A silk mask and the usual mask, like the KN95 mask and the KF94 mask. But my reason really why I used silk mask and this mask is the silk mask is for my skin. Because last year I had a maskne and I did a research and I found out that silk is actually good for the skin. So ako na siyang i-layer like this one. Actually guys, I bought this one sa Shopee but it doesn't look like this. It actually look like this with the air loop. But every time mamusuot ko ani with the air loop, igang there and mulapas na siya, makita ni siya, and gusto na ko matalo siya. So, I decided to cut it out and to make it like this. Yeah, so may tabuan ni, kinay na sa ilaw, namin siya, wait lang for a while. So, ngani. Ngayon, ani na siya forma guys. So, dili na ma-irritate ang akong skin. So, I'm gonna do this while watching Netflix because I'm actually watching The Good Doctor and I am now in episode 4, if I'm not mistaken. Episode 4 of season 4. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not really sure of what episode na, but I'm sure na season 4 na.
running, trying to run. I've suppressed the pain.
You were